What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. #1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're checking out KloudFox, an all-in-one tool for monitoring websites, managing incidents, and creating real-time status pages for customers. Look, you can't avoid a paper cut, but you can identify and correct critical issues on your website before losing revenue. Enhance your infrastructure management with KloudFox. As soon as you log in, you'll see all your active monitors. To create a new one, just click Add Monitor, then name it. Add your URL and set up notifications like email, Slack, or push notifications. For every monitor, you can track uptime, downtime, and availability with simple data tables, graphs, and charts. If you want more advanced options, click the gear icon to adjust just SSL TLS verification, certificate expiry notifications, check frequency, request parameters, and authentication. KloudFox also allows you to monitor URLs from multiple regions to support global business operations. See how simple site monitoring can be with KloudFox. Now check it. The base tier is a great starter plan for small websites. But if you're running an online store or monitoring client websites, you're going to want to upgrade. Tier 2 unlocks 150 monitors, 15 status pages, and 8 users. Want the maximum monitoring capabilities? Tier 3 gets you access to 450 monitors, 100 status pages, 25 users, plus mobile push notification, SSL monitoring, multi-geolocation, and more. Alright, back to the video. Building a custom status page keeps all your customers up to date in real time, and all you gotta do is click the Status Pages tab. From there, you can use a custom domain or pick the default one. After adding your company support email and main URL, you can customize the design and add your monitors. Then click Create Status Page to push it live. KloudFox automatically generates incident reports and logs for you. But you can always create manual incident logs to send immediate notifications to all page subscribers. And with user access controls, you can modify permissions for admins, developers, and one-time users. Don't let downtime get you down. With KloudFox, you can keep your business up and running every day. Just click that Buy Now button to lock in your lifetime access today.